So for today, we're going to have our lunch now. So we have here rice, duwaka rice and chicken, but I don't want to eat rice and chicken right now, so we're going to have the sandwich, the rolls, the cookies, and we have here banana, and we have here the milkshake, and cold water, and of course Coca-Cola. So I'm not in the mood to eat rice and chicken right now, so let's have this sandwich for lunch while waiting for the driver to come pick me up to go to another house. Kaya family time man ako mga alaga diri, so they go to Dubai and I'm going back to my madam's mom's house. So let's eat first. So ang ato na rice and chicken na duwa pack. So let's bring it to the other house, so we will have this for dinner together with our friends there. So let's set aside this one, and then we are going to, so yeah, let's eat. We're going to eat before we go so that our tea is full. The sandwich is so big. Look at this. So there's chicken, hot dog. There's so much chicken. There's so much lettuce, but I don't eat this, so let's remove it. Hindi ko arte, pero hindi ko po yun. Sa mga actually like arte sa pagkaon, pero hindi ko po yun sa mga utan na iba. So, very nice, guys. So delicious. Let's try the rolls. This is the roll. Nice. It melts in the mouth. And cookies. Ang cookies laban kalamay. No kalamay, give me no cookies. But it's nice. From my esto. Pero ang pinaka-nice, Coca-Cola. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. And I hope na busog ka mo sa tanaw. I will continue my lunch. Bye, guys. See you again next time.